Hey there, welcome back to our electrifying channel. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate of React Native versus Flutter, two of the most popular cross-platform frameworks for mobile app development. As developers, choosing the right technology is crucial, so let's compare these two powerhouses to help you make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of which framework suits your needs best. So, grab your popcorn, fasten your seatbelts, and let's embark on this thrilling tech adventure together. Let's start with React Native. It is developed by Facebook, has been around since 2015. It allows developers to build mobile apps using JavaScript and React, a popular JavaScript library. The key advantage of React Native is that it allows you to write code once and deploy it on both iOS and Android platforms. This enables faster development and reduces the need for separate code bases. So let's talk about its pros and cons. Firstly, large community support. React Native boasts a massive community, which means there are plenty of resources, libraries, and plugins available. Secondly, hot reload. One of the most loved features of React Native is the hot reload, which allows developers to see real-time changes without restarting the app. Lastly, code reusability. With React Native, you can share a significant portion of code between platforms, resulting in faster development and easier maintenance. Now let's discuss the cons. Firstly, let's talk about performance. While React Native has improved its performance over the years, it may still lag behind native development, especially in graphics-intensive apps. Secondly, third-party modules. Relying on third-party modules can sometimes lead to compatibility issues, especially when new OS versions are released. Lastly, UI design limitations. Achieving pixel-perfect UI can be challenging in React Native, particularly if your app relies heavily on custom designs. Now let's talk about Flutter. Flutter, on the other hand, is a relatively newer framework introduced by Google in 2018. It uses the Dart programming language and allows developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Now let's talk about its features. Firstly, performance. Flutter is known for its impressive performance due to its use of Dart and native compilation, resulting in smooth animations and fast execution. UI customization. With Flutter's custom widgets, developers have more control over the UI, making it easier to achieve a pixel-perfect design. Hot reload is similar to React Native. Flutter offers a hot reload feature, allowing developers to see changes instantly. Also, let's talk about some of its drawbacks. Learning curve. Flutter's Dart language might require some extra learning for developers already familiar with JavaScript. Smaller community. While Flutter's community is growing rapidly, it's still not as vast as React Native's, which might limit the availability of some resources. Platform-specific code. Despite being cross-platform, you may need to write some platform-specific code to access certain device features not supported by Flutter out of the box. In short, choosing between React Native and Flutter depends on your project needs and team's expertise. React Native offers code reusability and a larger community, while Flutter excels in performance and UI customization. Consider your app's requirements and development priorities to make the best choice. Both frameworks have proven success, so focus on building a great app with your skills and passion. Happy coding! Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on the React Native versus Flutter debate. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech discussions. Let us know in the comments which framework you prefer or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy coding!